welcome to Isles Speedway at our first annual 4 Wheels Gone Wild Truck vs. Jeep Mudfest event. My Instagram is TASHHH.
It's fine. It was just the cable that caught fire.
You're gonna be a favorite.
She's a natural, dude.
She is.
Yeah.
No, she is.
They train them. They train them how to talk before they come out here.
Oh, he's taking the damn bumper with him. I was probably, I want to say about 19. I'm a high school dropout. I worked full-fledged from there on out. I didn't sit on my ass. I was working full-time. So I bought a 4-door JQ within 2 months of being out of school. And then after that, I put like another $15,000 worth of extras in it. Yeah, you. All right, so we got Allie stepping up to do it.
Hi, other subscribers of Prime Crit Pro. I'm another subscriber of Prime Crit Pro. So hi, I'm Natasha.
So every time I make a drink, I make it.
Oh, see. Get it out of there. Get it out of there. Hammer down on it,
A wet t-shirt contest. Men are welcome to join as well. We don't want you guys to get jealous. We also have some girl-on-girl mud wrestling. We have trucks going through mud. We have tug-of-wars. We have burnouts.
One on the back, hold on.
Right here, it's a stereo build. This 4-wheel drive. It's got 615s. I don't know. 8.
Damn.
Don't do it. I was like, you're gonna embarrass yourself.
Awesome documentary.
Yeah, you can't post that. Can't post what? Oh, I'm posting the ones that we took.
Jump, jump, jump.
Yo, hold on.
Oh, you get it in your eyes this time. Last time he got his eyes open, he was like, oh boy.
Are we getting out? We gotta get out.
Hey, good job, y'all. Great job.
I'm a subscriber.
So you deal with
And don't forget Awesome Documentary, the other channel. Did you ever subscribe to you?
I don't. My phone's dead, so I can't.
Okay. Excuses.
Do you guys
Okay.
have it in like your channel, like about, like, is
Yeah,
it?
yeah, you'll find it.
Okay, all right.
Something does not sound good in that truck.
Man, I don't want to have a burger.
I hear it, bro. I'll just give you. Fucking, it's been a good day, man.
It's my love language. Just
Oh.
eat the burger.
It's okay. I bought you a burger, not me a burger.
But I'm not gonna eat
Half
the
a burger,
whole
you get her number.
Half a burger, I get her number.
Probably not.
I'm not wrestling. She hits me the wrong way.
What'd you say? How
How bad am I covered in mud?
You can clink.
Pull off with the water or swing
Right
it.
here. You want big twisted today, baby?
Hell yeah.
Today. So what's up?
It's a big country and it's only 500, baby. That was crazy. He was like, he needs help. I'm way over there. I'm like, the only thing I can do is film. I'm running. I need water.
I wanted to throw it. She ran down as it went to go.
See that song?
I was trying to go the
Again.
leg, the like the waist
I don't know
down.
if she can see it.
Ooh, like oh my god. Yeah. Got through that motherfucker, boy. Alright, it's not taking fun through that motherfucker.
Well,
I done spent all my money and I got paid
Well, I do
Friday.
live television. That's a live television post, so
She's very hireable.
thank you. So I also know how to do lighting, audio, all that stuff.
That's
I hate editing.
Phone with you guys because you guys aren't here. So I'm kind of picking up for your guys' slack not being here.
Where you wanna go, go.
Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother.
You did. You sold it.
I got hose.
Smoke ventilation. And I'm like, took the shirt off, I'm laughing it.
Think about it is, like, don't take it back to that now. Welcome to Isles Speedway.
Welcome to 4 Wheels Gone Wild, our first annual Mud Fest Truck vs. Jeep event.
Exactly. There you go.
You best believe I poured you something up in a heart.
I saw that it was 1 million subscribers, and I was like, holy.
And they got me doing some
Yeah, we're very
nasty
thankful.
stuff.
That happened a couple months ago. So now
Oh, you
we're
just
meeting.
hit it a couple months ago?
Yeah, a couple
That's
months ago, and then
fantastic.
now we just met a bunch of people that subscribed, and we appreciate y'all.
Girl, we're out here. Yeah. Oh, yes, yeah, I was like, yes. Yes and no, yeah? You look gorgeous. Okay, you look gorgeous. Okay.
You just say yellow, you're not that important.
Oh, and this is our special sponsor. Buckle up, everything.
And all of them.
Yeah. So set the girl's hair up. And
Yeah, hair everywhere, little tops off.
Yeah, dude, we'll get the models in it tomorrow. You know what I mean?
I guess you just spit it in my mouth.
Okay.
Did I take cards up there in the snack bar?
Y'all giving me a good reason to move to Orlando.
Do it! Come move down there.
I appreciate you, boss.
Stuff that I film on the truck, that goes on my website. So everything else is on YouTube. You know, we don't want to be demonetized. All right, 1, 2, 3.
We got her holding up the middle. Yeah, you better hold that.
Burnout, you're gonna have to come this way because we don't want you to get hurt.
I'll do a model walk.
You can do that in front of this rainbow right now.